Hi, I've got another unboxing video for you, and I don't really know how to review this. I got the Powder Beauty drawer and I have signed up for 6 months worth of subscription. So I will get a drawer full, a beauty box full of beauty products delivered monthly, and I bought it through Groupon. So I've been talking to Lucy Pertface and I heard that she had it, and I thought, oh, what a wonderful deal. And I know from speaking to you guys as well that a few of you has mentioned, Claire, you should try the beauty drawer, you should try it because you get really great, amazing stuff for the value. So normal price is £15 or £15.99, I'm not too sure. And then you got postage and packaging on top. So you're looking at about, say, £18 a box per month. So I got it on Groupon. I paid £39, and then you pay 6 months worth of postage and packaging, which came to something like £14–15. I will link all the information down below and the Groupon code down below. The Groupon, it finishes in February. So right, now to explain a little bit more. Apparently, a few days ago, we became aware that they're not doing subscription boxes anymore. They've stopped and they're concentrating on doing one-off beauty deluxe boxes. So where does it leave me and Lucy and a few other people as well that have just used their Groupon code for 6-month subscription boxes? Well, apparently we will still receive our boxes. They will honour the subscription and the Groupon, and they will still, give us the boxes each month. But what will be inside the box, I don't have a clue. Whether it would be similar to what other people have had before or something new, I don't know. I do know that this box is actually August 2017's box. And the website is a bit tricky to navigate, I've got to be honest. It is quite tricky to find out all about subscription boxes and everything like that, and that was even before they stopped doing subscription boxes, because I did have a look a couple of months ago. But yeah, so I don't really know what you get in the boxes, but I do know from talking to you that what you get is well worth the value of what you paid. So considering the Groupon code cost me what, £39, £40, it cost me about, say, £50–55 for 6 months subscription. So you're looking at about, say, about an £8 a box, and it would cost, well, it's £10 off, so it is good value for money. Sorry if I've completely confused you. I'm still a bit confused with where this is going and what is happening. I was upset one minute, angry the next, and now I'm like, okay, let's see where this goes. So yeah, bottom line, I've got a beauty box to show you, so I will unbox it. So this is the gorgeous box. It is so pretty. It is so lovely. It is large. It's got, it says beauty just got personal, and their website there. And it says here, a little quote, yesterday's eyeliner can be today's smoky eye if you believe in yourself. Yeah, it's quite a large box. Think Birchbox, but bigger. It's very similar. The drawer is a lot bigger. Look. So yeah, my normal spiel of, right, it's a monthly sub box, you can cancel anytime, blah blah blah. I can't say that because I don't really know. Oh, I hope you carry on watching this video and you're not put off by my incompetence. So, alright then, yeah, I won't have a look too much. In here is all the information about all the products that are inside the box, and just quickly looking without finding out too much detail. No, they don't give you a price. No, I can't see any prices, but they just tell you, and they don't tell you if it's all full size or sample, but we could probably guess anyway. So what else is there? Oh, there's some discounts. But it's pointless me telling you, because they ran out of date last October. What a shame, what a shame. So let's open this box. The packaging is lovely, really nice. Okay, I can see some items there. Let's get this off there, so I'll show you first. So my first item, oh, it's a Face Ink face mask, and this is the 40 Winks, and this is anti-aging sheet mask, so firming and brightening. Ah, lovely, lovely. I haven't tried a Face Ink face mask yet. I did receive one this month in Rockerbox, but that was more like a clay mask, a mud clay mask, but this one is actual sheet. So no, I'd be interested to try that. So no, always love a mask, always love a mask. So what does it say here? Yes, this is a cracking sheet mask packed full of collagen, multivitamins, hyaluronic acid and ceramide to give you an instant lift. But we love the fact that it's got lashes and lipstick on it. Perfect for the Mask Monday selfie. Handy. Pack of razors. So these are a pack of 4 Bic Soleil. I'm not good at pronouncing words. It's scent. Oh, is it? Yeah, lanolin and vitamin E. They look quite nice actually. As nice as razors can get, I suppose. But no, so that's what they look like there, if you can see without the reflection. Maybe you can see there better. So there's 4 in there. Need them actually. I do need some razors. So the information says you'll find a 4-pack of Bic disposable razors in your drawer, which will last you for the next month. Did you know that you should be changing your razors every week? Oh, and did we mention that they smell like lavender? Oh, that's why they've got scent on it. Let's have a smell, shall we? No. I don't shave my nose. No, there's no smell. Not that I can smell anyway. Yeah, there's like a plasticky smell with a razor there. No, it's nice. I do like it. Oh, I had a few of these last summer in beauty boxes. It's the Merci Handy New Wave and it's Love and Hand Cleansing Gel. And I do like these because they've got little bubbles that burst. I'm not sure if you can see. If I hold it there, you might see little bubbles. Oh, too close. Woo, that's quite strong. Hold on. Oh, it's nice. It's like a blueberry. Perfume. Oh, it is really nice. It is just like a perfume. But it leaves my hands a little bit sticky. Normally they don't, do they? They normally just, you know, blend into your skin. Oh, it feels a bit better now actually. The more I'm rubbing, the more I can feel. Yeah, no, it's fine. Everyone should have a hand sanitizer, whether you're a city commuter, a new mother changing nappies, or at a muddy festival. These incredibly useful bottles are antibacterial and deliciously scented. Hello Sunshine smells just like a bouquet of white flowers, while New Wave is fruitier. This is what I've got. We get notes of blueberry, yay! Muffin, but don't eat it. Of course not. So yeah, it does. It is really nice. I like that. And it's it's a mascara. It's a Rodial. And it's a Glam Lash Mascara XXL. So let me just take the wrapping off. That's what that looks like there. See there? So this is a 6mm. Ooh, nice wand. I don't think I've had this. Doesn't ring any bells with me. I've had a few of these products before, Rodial products, but not one of these. Or have I? Have I had one in a Look Fantastic? I can't remember. I'm thinking of that big advent calendar box, but no, I do like the brush. Whoop, the sort of brush I go for when I'm looking for new mascaras. Good black mascaras are easy to come by, but an amazing jet black mascara with a fantastic formula and a wand that coats every lash, tough gig. Luckily, we've done the searching for you. This Rodial mascara makes lashes look both long and full, plus it lasts all day and doesn't flake. So no, I'm excited to try that. So I'm not sure if I've had it before or not. I don't think I have, but yeah, we'll see anyway. So I'm liking the product so far, a bit of a mix, isn't it? So the next one, yay, I love Nip and Fab. I haven't tried this serum before, so I'm excited. It's a glycolic fix serum, and this is a little sample or a travel size, I would say. It's a 15ml, and it's there. So I like their glycolic scrub in this range, and I like their moisturiser as well. Really, really lovely. Oh, let's try it. Let's see. It's got a seal thing on. Good, good. Let's try it on this. Oh, sugar! Flipping Laura. Oh, I didn't mean to. Just only meant to put a little bit on. Never mind. There. Yeah, feels lovely. Ooh. Wet nose. Yeah, smells nice. Yeah, it feels just really, really lovely. I'm really excited to try this. Really happy. So what does it say? This super serum gets rid of any trace of large pores, nibbles away at dead skin that might have built up, and boosts blood flow and to encourage a mighty glow from within. So now happy with that? Happy with that? Ah, I have had this before and I do like it. It's This Works, and it's in transit camera close-up, and it's a mask, moisturiser and primer in one, and this is a sample and it's a 15ml. I do actually like this. It is really, really lovely. It is really nice. I haven't bought a full-size one. I think it's quite pricey, but yeah, no, I do like it, and I haven't got one at the moment, so no, I'm happy that I got it in this box. All the items seem to be, or a couple of the items seem to be the beauty sub-box regulars, you know, so you've got this and the Merci hand sanitizer and the Rodial. It seems to be like they're all working together. All the companies are, yeah, so unfortunately there's a lot of duplicates, so, but I don't mind with this because I do actually like this. So the information says, it's such a fantastic multitasker. Even if you're not travelling, leave it on for 20 minutes as a mask, massage into the skin as a moisturiser, and pop it on before makeup as a primer. Not bad, eh? So now that's that, and I've got one more item, which is a pencil of some sorts. So this is a Ciate London Wonder Wand Gel Kohl Liner, and I'm not sure the colour, I'm assuming it's black. I'll just open it. I love the packaging, it's super cool with stars. Right, it is, yeah, I'm assuming it is black. Right, before I open it, I'll just show you what it looks like. Can you see the stars on there? I'm not sure. It's really cool. So, yeah, it's black there. And then what's this side? Oh, it's a smudger. Lovely. Like a little brush smudger. Oh, nice. Oh, I like that. I really like that. So what's it saying here? This Ciate liner is heavily pigmented and comes with a really useful angled brush, which means you can get really close to the lash when creating a messy, smudgy line. So let's just try it on my hand. I know it's different applying it on your hand than it is to your eyelids, but whoa, that is nice. Oh, I can imagine that being rather nice on my eyelids. Let's see how it's, oh, it smudges quite a bit. Yeah, no, so far so good. So no, those are all my items, so I'll just gather them all together. So that's all the items, there's 7 in all, which is really, really good. It's, you know, considering I had it from the Groupon and I paid, it was about £8. Such good value, and the box is really lovely, and definitely one I would put on my dressing table, definitely. So no, even though it's an August box, it doesn't matter, because the items that I will definitely use and I will try out. So no, if you can see them all there. So no, we're really happy, really happy. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, as always, please leave me a like, and if you haven't done so already, it would be really lovely if you would subscribe to my channel. I've got a few makeup reviews coming up, makeup tutorials, and a few more unboxings as well, and a special exciting unboxing, which I won't tell you yet, you'll have to wait and see. So thank you for watching, I'll speak soon, bye bye.